So hello, my name is Princess Rainbow Shy, and I'm going to make my first slime video. Let's see here. Sadly, it's not a homemade slime. It's a store-bought slime. As you can see here, it's noise putty, and I'm going to do a pet peeves video with noise putty. So here's something that really ticks people off: stopping every moment for the thumbnail. And now, poking with one finger. It's really annoying. And as you can see from the start of this video, I already gave you a pet peeve. Bad lighting. See? And then, clickbait. When you see this on the thing, see this on your thumbnail, thinking that it's going to be a nice, huge slime. But then, when it zooms out, you just have this ball of whatever this thing is. Slime. Now, when the slime is off-center. I hate this when this happens because I can't see what's going on. I don't see what they're doing. Trust me, it gets annoying. And now, talking too much. Hey guys, yeah, this is my new noise putty. Actually, it's my cousin's. I also got this fidget spinner here. It's not even related to the video, but I'm just wanting to say it because, I'm trying to make a pet peeve here. So, yeah. And also another pet peeve, aggressiveness. Alright, now I'm going to put it in the container. This is also annoying. When they play with it in the container for forever. When they poke inside the container, which is really messed up here. Shaky camera too. I just have to hold it with my hand, sorry. Yeah, here's my noise putty. And yeah, as you can see, it looks really glossy and it's all jelly. It's got the consistency of jam and / jelly. And it's really weird too, see? This also ticks people off is when they use the thumb for poking. And smearing on butter slime. So yeah. It's hot pink too. And I know I'm talking too much during this video, so please excuse that. Alright, that was my pet peeves slime video. Hope you enjoyed.